Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to make a private lobby or match in Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 2. Now to go ahead and create a private lobby in Space Marine 2, all we need to do is to access the mission terminal right here before starting any matchmaking. So let's go ahead and open this up right here. And for us to go ahead and create a private lobby, we're gonna go ahead and choose PvP right here, or player versus player. Now from here, we can see the private mode right here, and we can go ahead and create a private lobby, or if your friend or someone else is the one creating it, you can go ahead and join them via an invite code to the private lobby. So let's just go ahead and create a private lobby right here. And then as you can see here, you can go up to 6 versus 6 people in the game itself. And here you can also go ahead and change the settings as needed. So if you want to go ahead and choose a dedicated server, the map itself, the game mode, time limit, and any other settings, you can go ahead and do so. You can also change the gameplay itself and as well as the teams themselves right here. Now here you can go ahead and find the private code by going into the settings right here, and if you take a look on the top right, you should be able to see show invite code right here. Now here you can go ahead and use this to go ahead and send this to your other players so that they can go ahead and join the same lobby. And there you go, you can go ahead and invite friends directly and start the missions together. And private matches are useful if you want a more coordinated experience or just want to play casually with friends. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.